Hello everyone, my name is William Devenport. I'm a professor of Aerospace and Ocean Engineering. I'm also Director of Virginia Tech Stability Wind Tunnel and Create. So it's very nice to be talking to you. I wish this was a two-way conversation, and actually it can be. So you can see at the top of the slide here my email address and my phone number. So please call or email me if you have questions. I'm very pleased that you've applied to the PhD program in Aerospace and Ocean Engineering. Indeed, I think there's lots of exciting things that we're doing that you might be interested in being involved in. The Stability Wind Tunnel I mentioned a minute ago, it's renowned worldwide as a leader in aeroacoustics and aerodynamics. The center, Create, okay, this is a team of, or a community really, of some 10 faculty, 30 graduate students doing research collaboratively in all areas of fluid dynamics. So there's a nice kind of esprit de corps, nice community of people work there. You can see here that I'm very fortunate to be currently working with 8 outstanding PhD students. You can see who they are there, and you can see their pictures below. I'm also involved in collaborations with a number of academic faculty as well as research faculty. Rather than taking the time to talk about a lot of technical information, I thought I'd spend a minute to kind of describe exactly what you might do as a PhD student, what PhD students generally do, at least involved when they're involved in the fields that I am. So my expertise is in experimental aerodynamics and aeroacoustics, and we have a number of research projects from the Department of Defense, from NASA, from National Science Foundation. So all of these projects are indications that we're doing something useful for somebody, and that's very important. And so we take that very seriously. And as a PhD student, you get to be involved in all levels of that. So the whole goal of the PhD program is to make you a technical leader, to give you all the experiences, to give you all the contacts, to kind of introduce you to the larger worldwide community to make you a technical leader. So that means you start off with experimental and instrumentation design and so on. You start to work with teams like the machine shop, the electronics shop, with other students, with other groups. And then you start leading wind tunnel tests. You can see on the bottom right here a photograph in masks, of course. This is 2020. On the left of Jared Banks and on the right of Hamza Bad, who are first-year PhD students who are leading a wind tunnel test in the Stability Wind Tunnel. This is a really big deal. And you can see them here doing a trial run a couple of weeks ago. So you get to lead these huge, great experiments, and then you get to be an author, to write up this work, to think about what really matters about it, and then to go to conferences and present that to the community and become involved with the community, become known as a researcher. And of course, that's the whole idea. That takes you to where you need to be as a PhD. That takes you to a place where you can contribute to knowledge and to the things that benefit humankind. So just a quick thing on my second slide here. I thought I would just put up a list of projects, and you can take a screen grab of this if you want to see what they all are. There's a pretty big diversity of them, and you can see that they're all collaborative in different ways. Of course, they're collaborative between me and my students, but they're also collaborative between our group and other groups. And the collaboration is a key thing. Okay, good ideas, despite what one tends to think, good ideas don't tend to happen through solo intensive study. They happen by interactions. People are talking to each other, they don't quite understand what each other was saying, and out in the air pops a brand new idea, and sometimes a really good one. I've highlighted the 2 projects in blue here. The understanding of aeroacoustics of turbulence ingestion into a rotor, and also this quantifying surface noise sources produced by boundary layers and surface mounted obstacles. I highlight these because these are really neat projects we're doing for the Navy. These are done in the big wind tunnel. They're aeroacoustics projects. And they're new projects that are 4-year projects that just started this year. So they're good places that new students could find a home if this kind of thing sounds interesting to you. So that's everything I had to say. Please call or email me if you have any further questions. I'd love to talk with you. I'd love to respond to your emails. So thank you.